So I just told you about poor Speck the chook. Here she is there. There's poor Speck the chook. Shame, having some porridge. She fell down a hole. What do you think they should have done?
They should get a ladder, put it on a hole, then walk down the hole, then get a chook, then climb up back a ladder, and take a ladder out, and take chook to home.
Yeah. And what's Speck having for breakfast?
She must have chicken.
Chicken? You can't give a chook chicken. That's cannibalistic.
You must give it hen.
A hen's also a chicken. What about porridge? They gave Speck porridge. That's what you had for breakfast. You and Speck had the same breakfast.
Give it chicken food.
Oh yeah, you should give it chicken
Give
food.
it an egg.
And do you want to say anything to Speck, like get well, or we hope you feel better?
Hope you lay an egg for breakfast so we can eat it.